Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious homemade potato soup using an easy method. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You will need 6 medium potatoes, peeled and diced into 1-inch cubes. Also, have 4 cups of chicken or vegetable broth, 1 cup of heavy cream, and 1/2 cup of milk. Don't forget 1 small onion, 2 cloves of garlic, 2 tablespoons of butter, and your essential salt and pepper. These fresh items are the foundation for a truly comforting meal. Now, let's start cooking. Begin by melting 2 tablespoons of butter in a large pot over medium heat. Once melted, add your minced onion and sauté it until it becomes wonderfully soft, which usually takes about 5 minutes. Next, stir in the minced garlic and cook for just 1 more minute until you can smell its lovely aroma. Finally, pour in the 4 cups of broth and add the diced potatoes. Bring this mixture to a boil, then reduce the heat and let it simmer for about 15 minutes, or until the potatoes are tender. With your potatoes tender, it's time to create that signature creamy texture. You can use a potato masher for a chunkier soup or an immersion blender for a smoother consistency. Blend or mash until it's just how you like it, perhaps leaving a few delightful potato pieces. Then, gently stir in the 1 cup of heavy cream and 1/2 cup of milk. Heat the soup gently for about 5 minutes, being careful not to let it boil once the dairy is added. Finally, season generously with salt and freshly ground black pepper to your liking. Your delicious homemade potato soup is now ready to enjoy. Ladle it warm into bowls and get creative with your garnishes. Shredded cheddar cheese, crispy bacon bits, or fresh chives are all fantastic choices. If you prefer a thicker soup, simply let it simmer a little longer to reduce the liquid. For a heartier meal, you could even add some cooked ham or sweet corn. Store any leftovers in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 3 days. Enjoy this comforting and easy-to-make dish.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.